But during the cycle of readings for the liturgical year,
I play
The
nyo.
title is When Heaven and Earth Meet.
Oo.
I think it's
So yung pinaka, ano lang naman dyan is,
chapter of John.
about the Eucharist lang yan eh.
Oo nga.
Oh.
Anong sharing mo?
About the Eucharist.
Sige, mag-share ka.
Dito tanggapin natin siya sa Eucharist.
Ayun. Pinag-usapan din namin ni Brother ni Brother Noni.
Nasa ano nga natin yan eh. Hamon natin, arawin natin yung pagtanggap ng, sabi, di ba, yung bagong ano natin, LBS, araw-arawin natin ang pagtanggap ng ng Eucharistia. Kung hindi kaya, di ba, spiritual communion ka. Kasi nga, ano ba yung dasal natin? Give us this day our daily bread. Ang daily bread natin, hindi lang pang material. Yung spiritual na Eucharist, si Jesus yun. Every day. Nakasaad yan sa Our Lord's Prayer. Our Father who art in heaven, di ba?
Kanya nga eh.
So, give us this day our daily bread. So, kailangan araw-arawin mo yung pagtanggap ng Eucharist. That is daily bread. So, bakit ba natin maging araw-araw? Bakit ba natin kailangan? Siyempre, dasal nga eh. Para maging kamukha mo na si Jesus. Pag parati mo siya tinatanggap, ano na laman ng katawan mo? Si Jesus. Dapat.
Ayun, tama.
From your internal, lalabas na si Jesus na dapat yung mo. So, yung hindi lang dahil, ano ba yung saysay na ito? Ba't ba ako tumatanggap? Ano ba yung saysay? Bakit mo tinatanggap si Jesus? Kailangan mo siya tanggapin dahil araw-araw. Gusto mo maging kawangis niya. Gusto mo maging kamukha niya. Kaya mo siya tanggap. Okay, ayun lang ang pinaka-purpose niya para bago ka na, it is no longer I but Christ who lives in me. Sabi ni Paul.
Ni Saint Paul.
Saint Paul. So, ayun na, meet heaven and earth. Jesus is already there in you. That is, Jesus is heaven. Basically, that's the meeting of heaven and earth through the Eucharist, through the Holy Mass.
Okay.
Mass is, andyan naman yung liturgy of the word. So, it's also Jesus, of course. Then, we receive Him in the body, blood, soul, and divinity sa Eucharist. So,
correct.
Profound yung ating So, actually, nasa catechism natin na after you receive, may hanggang 15 minutes siya mananatili sa iyo kasi yung hostia, melt na yan. 15 minutes. Pero, of course, it could go beyond naman kasi yung essence ng Eucharist nasa iyo na. Andiyan na sa Jesus. So, kung matunaw man yun, it just changed to another form. Perhaps a liquid na andyan sa katawan mo. Becomes your blood. Jesus is now your blood. So, you are now a new creation. Dapat yun yung maano natin, parang ma-internalize o maano natin na kakausapin natin si Jesus talaga whenever we receive Him. Hindi lang yung tindig ka na agad. Ginagawa ko talagang luluhod ako kahit na wala akong luhuran dyan. Talagang kakausapin ko si Jesus. I give you thanks, I give you honor, I give you praises, I give you glory. In the name of all past, present, and future, I fuse. So, and then I give this Eucharist also to those who are not able to receive, past, present, and future. So, ayan, you are able to do that when you, especially if you do that in His most divine will. When you execute that, when you fuse in His divine will. So, become the living host. It is not no longer you, but Christ already lives in you. You are a living host. You are a walking host, Eucharist.
Tama. Tama.
So, ayun po, kaya nga, when, di ba, go in peace ka, so, kailangan, pamahagi mo na yung grasya na natanggap mo. You
Correct.
become Christ to, hopefully, that's the prayer, the grace, that you become Christ to other people. You give
Kaya nga yung,
charity, that love to other people as well.
okay. Doon nag-a-apply yung sinabi na the more you give, the more you receive. Yung salita na yan, if you give Christ to others, the more you receive kasi graces and His protection will fall on you pagka ganyan ang ginagawa mo.
Kung nare-receive mo na siya araw-araw, di napuno na yan si Christ dyan sa'yo, you are not able to give that to other people.
Tama.
That love na hindi mo dati maibigay sa iba, malalaman mo naman yung changes, no? Like, for example, yung sa akin, for the longest time, I'm not really be able to show my love and affection to my wife. But I don't know, recently or I am able to say I love you to her. I love you.
Mm-hmm.
I give her my kiss whenever I punta na ako ng office or alis ako.
Yeah.
I give my kiss to
How sweet.
her.
How sweet.
That is the kiss of Jesus. Kasi I hug her na. Kasi I pray na na Lord, come divine will to hug in my hugging. So it's Jesus na hugging. To kiss in my kiss. So it's Jesus. So yung ko ngayon sa it's Jesus who is giving that love, because love one another as I have loved you. So Jesus now is the one loving for my wife. Although Jerome, andun pa rin si Jerome, but of course I have to recognize that it is Jesus in me who is doing that that grace. Because it's really grace. If kung ako lang mag-isa, hindi ko kaya, mayabang ako Sabi ko, I have that my ego. Bahala ka dyan. Wala akong pakialam. Sabihan nga ako na walang empathize o ganyan. So, pinagdasal ko yon, Lord, give me that compassion, that to love my wife as you love. Binigay naman ni Lord. Kasi hiningi mo. So, kung hindi mo, hindi ka magiging ganun. So, ako na-shock na lang ako sa sarili ko. Ba't parang ginayuma mo ba ako? Parang I felt in love with my wife. With the love of Jesus. I am able to give that.
Okay.
So, yun lang po, mga and that may God be praised.
Maganda. Maganda yung sharing mo, bro.
I can share because wala man sila dito ngayon
Maingay yung mga aso ko.
Di naman
brother,
naririnig.
ano masasabi mo doon sa sharing ni brother,
Maganda ang sharing ni Brother Jerome.
Kaya kita mo yung kanyang passion and dedication and his life. Marami na nagbago kay brother, Kanya nga, yan yung susunod na magiging Tom Quijano sa
Wala po akong pangarap dyan. Dyan na si brother. Alex, yan na po bahala dyan. At